Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, we're gonna be playing Shadow Boxing. If you don't know, I thought Shadow Boxing was dead if I'm being honest. So in today's video, I'm gonna be Shadow Boxing 5 rounds. And every round that I lose, I'm gonna have to do a punishment. So the punishments are gonna getting worse and worse. And embarrassing, if I do say myself. So let's play the first match. Okay guys, shit, I'm trying to box him down, up. Okay, you like down? No, this guy went down. Why you don't want to go down for me, man? Side. Okay, this one is down. I'm gonna just go down for you, no? Left, right, down, left, right, down, up. Yo, yo, guys, I'm trying to get this guy. He's going. This guy likes to go down, up. Selfie. Thank you for the happiest. Like, yo, guys, so far no punishment. And the guy automatically just left. I mean, bro got so embarrassed. Sorry, guys, I'm adjusting my volume up, you know what I mean? So I can hear the sound effects. So that's 1 out of the 5. I got 4 left. Will I win the race or will I have to face a punishment? Okay, bro. Okay, I have to find someone. Ah, everyone's battling so far. I don't want to have to do a clip. We have to go 10 hours later. Okay, guys, I want to defeat the guy with the belt. Damn, he got like, he bro just gave him a slip. Join. Okay, bro, I found one. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm gonna join this guy. Second match. No way, guys. I just clipped this guy. I clipped this guy. I made him selfie to the air, bro. So that's 2 out of the 5 rounds. I got 3 rounds left, guys. Now I have to look for someone else again. Oh my goodness. So far, I don't think I'm gonna be facing any punishments. No! I think, oh, here we go, boy. Again, okay. I think I can go with this guy again. Left, right. Oh, wait, yes, I was clip. No. Oh, shit. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, Vortex. That is 3 wins, guys. So far, I don't have any punishments. Oh no, bro. I don't want to face like a punishment. The thing with punishments is like, you don't know what you get. I didn't even plan for this video, guys, if I'm being honest. I just woke up, decided it would be a good idea. Then I still like found some punishments for me to do. Yo, bro, I can feel no boy. Come. Lift. Down. Up. Wow. Okay. I want the same combo. Lift. Lift. Up. No, it's lift, down, up. Wait. Lift. left, down. Yo, this guy. Down. Now it's left. Left. Yo. Left. Bro. No. No. My first loss out of the three. Wow. My first loss out of the three. Out of the five. I played three. I won three. For the fourth one, I lost. I have one more left, and then after this, we're gonna be facing my punishment. I better win this next one, guys. Okay, this goes probably easy. Ah, now don't cook me like that, bro. Just legs, this goes after me. She's like, nah, you're gonna be paying. After the loss, after the beautiful win streak, then I just lost like that. She's taking long to make up her mind, if I'm being honest. I did I just down, left. Oh my goodness, guys. This is my last one. I need to win this. So my first punishment is in bed. You know what? Let's do it like this. The top comment will pick my punishment. Oh man. Oh my goodness. I just lost. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyways, I just want to say to you guys, this has been the video. And I also want to say, for my two punishments, I'm going to be doing what the top comments say. So please don't be something crazy. But anyways, don't forget to have a beautiful day. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.